وہ اسے تسلیم کرنے سے ڈرتا ہے۔
He is scared to admit it. He is scared to admit it.
انہوں نے بہت ہلکے سے حرکت کی۔
They moved ever so slightly. They moved ever so slightly.
میں اسے مستحکم کرنے کے لیے گیا۔
I went over to steady her. I went over to steady her.
میری آنکھیں نم ہو گئی۔
My eyes went dim. My eyes went dim.
وہ تھکاوٹ سے پیلی پڑ گئی۔
She went pale with fatigue. She went pale with fatigue.
انہوں نے راحت کی لہر محسوس کی۔
They felt a wave of relief. They felt a wave of relief.
میں اپنا دھیان ہٹا سکتا ہوں۔
I could use a distraction. I could use a distraction.
اس کے ذریعے کال کرو۔
Put the call through to him. Put the call through to him.
مجھے یقین تھا کہ میں اس کا خیال رکھوں گا۔
I was sure to take care of him. I was sure to take care of him.
میں تاخیر نہیں کرنا چاہتا۔
I don't want to be delayed. I don't want to be delayed.